want to. Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today is the third day we are here in Sydney, Australia, and yeah, this is the view from my Airbnb. We'll be heading to the zoo to see some cute animals today, so I had to dress cute today too. So this is my outfit for today. Look at the view! It's not as cold today. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's your boy.
We just reached. We just reached.
No,
We just reached where?
no. Zoo.
Okay, so we just reached Taronga Zoo. Yeah. We're gonna head in now after taking a few pictures.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you noticed too.
How are they like
Sneaking
roaming?
down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a
Animal experiences.
We're gonna enter. We're going to enter now. Yeah. Dylan.
No.
Why? We just entered the zoo. Let's go and explore the zoo now.
I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my
Oh my gosh! We're gonna take a look at some koalas right now. Look at this koala that's sleeping. So cute! It's like hugging the tree. So cute! This is our These are all my worst nightmare. Oh my gosh. Find the insect.
I don't think Mom can find one, honestly. Fine.
Find the insect. So fluffy, look at that. Where that? This looks like corn. Is it? No, I don't think it is. It's just flowers, right?
Honestly, I don't know what we are asking for. There's nothing.
Hello, little friends.
Oh, shy.
Oh no! Hello, little. I mean, big alpaca. Or is it llama?
Alpaca.
I saw his eyes. It's like staring. Do you see that? Oh, there's one in the background too. Meh. Meh.
See, we're getting Indonesia.
Meh. Oh. It turned to look. Hello. Hi.
Yeah.
Wow. So close yet so far.
So fat. I was like, what the hell is this? Meow. Like, they never say anything about not petting. Oh damn, they can fly. Disabilities.
Oh, eat you up. What's the tea? What's the tea?
Like, let's just go for it.
Oh no, 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 don't go away. Don't go away. No. On our way to see the gorilla. Oh, there's a lot of people. Oh, it's
I relate to them. Do you want?
pink. Why is it vomiting? Oh.
my diarrhea.
Why is it green?
I'm scared now. I'm sorry if I heard wrongly.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Need to using
Yeah. Solid, solid. Oh, it's hot, man. This is barbecue and this is Tabasco.
This one for your eating again. Oh, not bad, huh?
We just finished eating and now we are going to take a look at some sea animals. Sea aquarium. This is the last.
Không có cậu không? Đó thì là cái này sao phần hai cái bữa thành sao đấy ai有是有毛的，你看爱的是有毛的，
Ooh.
Like submarine.
They sleep with one leg up.
Oh, good observation.
way.
No, that's funny. That's
No
funny.
way, no way.
Very funny. I'm sorry for your loss. Okay, good. You know that.
I guess I'm lucky in the wrong way.
Can win 40.
What?
Yeah. Quack.
So currently I'm waiting for my family to come. They're still walking at the previous enclosures and I'm just enjoying the view right now. It's so pretty. I'll include this one. This is a video. Just saying.
They do like that. I'll show you that they do like that.
Wow.
Less than 400 smart lines left in the You can see below the entrance. No home for Thailand. Any other animal.
And retail stores close at 5 p.m.
Let's go and take a look at the giraffe. We are on our way to see the last enclosure, which is the capybara.
Going down is so much fun.
I don't see it on the sign. We found the capybara,
I
but
think
it's
we have to go one round.
kind of far. Oh, do we have time? No. But at least we got to see it. Could have entered by here to pet the capybara, but we were too late. No.
Just to touch.
What? You want to come back here?
Just to touch it. Bro, I didn't know you can touch it. Yeah, what the hell?
Yeah, such a waste because we were so close. But what I'm sad about is we didn't see the coca. Where's the coca?
Coca. I'm disappointed as well.
Okay, but now it's time to leave the zoo. So we are heading out right now. Hi! Wait, no, isn't cola? Yeah.
This one.
Oh, that's 24.
Yeah, let me ask whether they got a small one.
You can go and see the other one. Oh, is this the small one? Wait.
There's the marmot or something.
Oh yeah. Okay. This limousine. You can't really tell it's a limousine from here. We're waiting for our car. It's coming. Oh, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. I see it, it's coming. We are at Luna Park. Luna Park is there. The Sydney Opera House is over there, and this is the bridge, Sydney Bridge. Yay! It's freezing, by the way. It's freezing. Oh my gosh. The sun is setting right now. Look at the sunset. Look at the sunset. Yay! We're boarding the ferry. Wait, I want to sit outside. Wait, I want to sit outside. I'm going out. Yay! Whoa!
Whoa, that's cool.
Whoa! That's cool.
Spotlight. Sight.
Hi guys! We are on the ferry to Circular Quay right now, and it's freezing. But yeah, oh no, my car is gonna die!
Goodbye.
I'm saying my last words. Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
Which one using that to take like
She's funny. okay. Good for you, good for you. I can't see you. Where are you? Where is he? Where is he? I think it's this. Is this him?
Why smell like nasi lemak?
I found someone. Guess who?
My left cheeks. Not that cheek.
Oops.
Not that cheek too. My butt cheek.